PBBM inaugurates $7.57 billion flood control project in Pampanga. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., on Wednesday, August 7, 2024, led the inauguration of the Integrated Disaster Risk Reduction and Climate Change Adaptation (IDRR-CCA) measures in low-lying areas of Pampanga Bay, Stage 1, completed by the Department of Public Works and Highways (DPWH) in the province of Pampanga. The president was joined by House Speaker Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez, DPWH Secretary Manuel M. Bonoan, Korean Ambassador to the Philippines Lee Sang-hwa, Pampanga Governor Dennis G. Pineda, 4th Congressional District Representative Anna York P. Bondoc, and Representative Jorge Bustos of Patrol Party List. In the inauguration of the completed flood mitigation project that will improve resilience and protection during typhoon seasons for the towns of Macabebe, Masantol, Manalan, and Sto, Tomas, implemented by the DPWH Unified Project Management Office, Flood Control Management Cluster, under the leadership of Senior Undersecretary Emil K. Sedane and Project Director Ramon A. Ariola III, the $7.57 billion detailed design and construction of Integrated Disaster Risk Reduction and Climate Change Adaptation (IDRR-CCA) measure in Pampanga was funded through the Official Development Assistance (ODA) from the Republic of Korea under Loan Agreement Number PHL-17 with the Korean Economic Development Cooperation Fund (KEDCF). The inauguration event at Sapang Maragol Sluice Gate in Burgay, Bibe Anak, Masantol, Pampanga was also attended by DPWH Senior Undersecretary Emil K. Sedane, Regional Office 3 Director Roseller A. Tolentino, Project Directors Ramon A. Ariola III, Benjamin A. Bautista, Teresita V. Bauzon, Soledad R. Florencio, Rodrigo I. De los Reyes, and Stakeholders Relations Service Director Randy R. Del Rosario. In his message, President Marcos instructed the DPWH to ensure that the second stage of the project, also financed by the Republic of Korea, would proceed as scheduled to fully realize the project's benefits and provide long-term solutions to flooding in Pampanga. Secretary Bonoan highlighted in his project briefing the significance of the IDRR-CCA, stating that it will substantially reduce flood risks and enhance the resilience of the affected areas. The project will improve the waterway capacity and the drainage efficiency of the river channel networks in Pampanga, including the Third River, the Eastern Branch Channel, the Kaduang Tete River, and the Sapang Maragol River, which all flow to the Pampanga Bay. According to Senior Undersecretary Sedane, in charge of DPWH infrastructure flagship projects under the Build Better More program, the administration is working on the financing agreement with the Asian Development Bank, ADB, for the detailed engineering design for Central Luzon, Pampanga Floodway, and San Antonio Swamp Ring Dike project as a long-term solution against flooding, which will benefit Pampanga, Bulacan, and Nueva Ecija. The Central Luzon, Pampanga Floodway, and San Antonio Swamp Ring Dike project, which will run from the foot of Mount Arayat, is expected to dispose of floodwaters coming from the upper Pampanga River catchment directly to the mouth of Manila Bay by building a 100-year flood design floodway channel of about 60 km long by 400 meter wide. Meanwhile, DPWH projects to mitigate flooding in Metro Manila include constructing and improving pumping stations along critical waterways under the Metro Manila Flood Management Project and Pasig Marikina River Channel Improvement Project Phase 4, including constructing the Marikina Control Gate structure.